So there's been some interest in how to do a motion path, and I thought I would do something fun rather than the standard no fun stuff. I have a map here of the world, and it traces my trip from Phoenix, Arizona to London and then to Belgrade, Serbia, which was a fun trip. And I drew a little paint path here. Now that's not a real path, it's just there so I can have a guide. And I have imported an airplane, which I'm going to drag right here onto, drag my little airplane here onto the map. There it is, my little airplane. And I started in Phoenix, so I'll start here. Now, how to do a motion path. Very easy. Come over to the left side here and choose motion path. Okay, not bad. Figure out how long you want it to take. I'm going to let mine take 3 seconds. So I know that, 3 seconds. I'm going to create a keyframe at the X and the Y. I've just, like I said, I decided on the 3 seconds. I'll drag this forward to 3 seconds. And I will just drag my airplane right over here on top of Belgrade. Now you're going, but Mrs. Dodge, that's not a motion path, that's just a straight line. True. So what I'm going to do is start back here at 100. As I roll over the line, you'll notice that my tool changes to a pen tool. And I'm going to just click, I'm going to start about here. Click and drag up. That did a pretty good job. And I'm going to bring this down a little bit. I'll just take the end of this and bring it down a little bit. So now I have a motion path, and all I have to do is play it, which I will do. Watch. Perfect. Oh, that landing wasn't good at all. So the other thing you can do with a motion path is I can orient it to the path itself. And let's see, auto orient. So let's move this to a spot where we can auto orient it. There we go. And we will check that, auto orient. And when we play now, we got, well, little, that doesn't look good either, but what the point is what you can do is you can change where the point of origin is, which right now is in the center. So if I want to change my point of origin, I can drag this to here. That definitely changed things. And when I play it, and it's doing it by the tip, but I'm still coming down not so good. But what I could do is create follow, 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 where it's good, it's good, it's good, it's good. Whoops, it's not so good, starting about there. I could create a new orient. I change my X, and I could move it up or down, right or left. And I can also turn. So now let's see how we're doing. So we come back here. We'll come forward. It follows. It follows. And I don't want to dive bomb in there. So right about here, I'm going to flatten out a little bit. I'm going to go ahead and try my orientation just a little bit less. And that should help. There we go. So when we play it, it follows the path pretty nicely. I land in Serbia. Life is good. Now, we've landed at this point. Maybe we want something to happen. How about we open up a website about Serbia? So to open a website, we could add a trigger right here at the 3 second mark. So let's do that. Let's see, timeline, insert trigger. what do I want to do now? I swear to God this works, so watch this. Links, open in same window. It doesn't work opening in a different window. I'm going to paste in the Wikipedia page for Serbia. Okay. And let's see what happens. Command return. Let's test it. There goes our airplane. We've landed, and there we are in Serbia. So pretty cool, and I thought you'd appreciate it. It's really fun to use.